Welcome back to Royal Bike, the channel where we explore the newest cars, bikes, and automotive legends. Today we're talking about something truly exciting, the 2026 Mahindra CJ3B Jeep. This legendary off-road machine carries the heritage of the classic Mahindra CJ3B, but now it returns with modern design, improved technology, and stronger performance. Let's dive into what makes this iconic Jeep special in 2026. Classic design with a modern touch. The 2026 Mahindra CJ3B Jeep stays true to its vintage roots while adding modern styling elements. It still features the iconic boxy shape, round headlights, and a bold front grille that reminds us of the original Willis CJ3B, the vehicle that inspired Mahindra's early Jeep models. However, Mahindra has added LED headlights, redesigned bumpers, and modern alloy wheels to give it a fresh appearance. The removable roof and doors keep the adventure spirit alive, making it perfect for off-road lovers. With high ground clearance and rugged body cladding, this Jeep is built to conquer tough terrain while still turning heads on the road. Powerful engine and off-road capability. Under the hood, the 2026 Mahindra CJ3B Jeep is expected to come with a strong and reliable engine designed for both city driving and serious off-roading. Reports suggest a 2.2-liter diesel engine similar to the one used in the Mahindra Thar, producing impressive torque and power. It will likely feature a 4x4 drivetrain, low-range gearbox, and advanced traction control. This means drivers can easily tackle mud, rocks, sand, and steep hills. Whether you're exploring mountains or rough trails, the CJ3B is designed to handle it all with confidence. Interior and technology. Inside the cabin, the 2026 Mahindra CJ3B Jeep combines rugged simplicity with modern comfort. While the design keeps a classic off-road vibe, it now includes a touchscreen infotainment system, smartphone connectivity, and a digital instrument cluster. The seats are designed for durability and